Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Good time to all of you. How are you all? I hope all are fit and fine. This is a Sajid Hussain in front of you. Today I will share with you five important things. Because of today is Friday. For Muslim people, Jummah Day. Jummah Day is very essential and very benefit for Muslim people because uh, especially for poor people for Umrah Day. That's why I will share with you five important things. First of all, one important thing uh, because of today's Jummah. First of all, you should early take bath. Then you prefer for Jummah Salah, and then you should put on new clothes, especially white cloth is favorite for our Prophet Hazrat Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. That's why you should put on white cloth. Then after that, number three is you take perfume. This name Atur. Then number five is Surah Kahf. You should recite the Surah Kahf. Surah Kahf is very essential for Muslim. If you protect the from the Dajjal, you should every Friday recite the Surah Kahf. That's it. Assalamu alaikum.